Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and here we are again. Janine is here. We are crafting today, and so her and I are going to be using the same stuff to make different things. So both of us are using these creatures from the Dollar Tree, because you know, Dollar Tree. And then Janine, show them what you're using.
I'm using this mesh webbing.
And it has spiders in there.
It does have spiders in there. And we got this at CVS.
CVS for $1. So they do have them at the dollar store, but we just wanted it quick because Janine had a brilliant idea. So here we are. I didn't.
It was your idea.
Oh, the webbing was my idea. Okay, and then what else do you have?
And we have this little vase.
Yep, also from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm using an old mixed nuts can, and we're gonna upcycle this guy. And then since we're at CVS, we picked up some M&Ms. They are Ghouls mix. Look at the colors. And these were only 2 for $5. So we picked up a plain and a peanut. So we're gonna put the peanut ones in the peanut ones. And then we're both going to be using some Krylon spray paint.
Yep.
So we're going to go through these first. And which ones are you going to be using out of these creepy crawlers?
I'm going to be using the spiders.
Look at all the creepy crawlers. There's a ton in there.
And I'm going to be using some flies.
Okay, so I'm going to be using some of the remaining stuff. So there's a centipede, and there are these gross cockroaches. There's like 3 of them. And I think we're kind of going to be doing the same thing.
A little bit.
Yeah. So first things first, I'm going to go and paint this guy black.
And I'm going to go and paint this black, but I'm also going to go ahead and paint my little creatures black.
The orange ones and the white ones.
Also, because you'll see.
Oh look, there's also a little snake. There's got one left over to carry over from Worm Week.
And a little bat.
Snake Week, really. Oh, I know, the bat is going to be really cute.
And some
for
flies.
Whatever we're going to use it with.
Little flies. Can you see those? They're little flies.
Yeah, they're gross. All right.
Yes.
Let's go ahead and get started.
All right.
All right. We have painted our stuff black. I left the lid on, so there is a little blue, but that's because I want it to be food safe. So I did that. It's completely black now, and then yours is completely black as well. And then we painted all of the little guys. So this little guy who was originally orange is now creepy crawly black, and the same with those gross little cockroaches. All right, so now what are you gonna do?
So we're gonna take some of our webbing that we got, and we're gonna glue it here and just around.
On the bottom and the top?
Yeah, so that we can stretch it out. And we're gonna play with it and see what we like.
Just a little bit,
yeah,
dabs of glue. And then me, I'm just gonna go through and I'm gonna go ahead and get these guys on here. Just some little dabs here and there because these are tiny. While she's doing that.
You don't need a lot, and I think I'm gonna use the scissors because I'm not very strong.
Oh, I brought scissors.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. And we're going to put these just around here. I'm hoping that if I hold this, that the glue will hold. I don't know that it wants to, because this is a really this is a really strong plastic. So I think we'd have to hold it there for quite a while. But these little guys, scared myself. Oh, this is so gross. This is the way you guys keep everybody out of your yummy candy.
So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue on the inside up here so that I can attach this to it so that it will stick. And I'm going to go ahead and do that by not touching the glue myself because I don't want to burn myself. I've already done that today.
And then I added some more glue on here. And I'm probably going to add some more on this side as well.
So I'm just going to go ahead and play with this to get some of the effect of what I want. And you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way.
This really needs to be held down if you're going to use these, because you have to really let that glue dry. That looks really cool.
So I'm going to go ahead. This was all Jean's idea. I said to glue it and paint it. She said to use the real one. I liked her idea better, so that's what we went with. So I'm just going to take a little bit of hot glue right here. You don't need a lot. And a little bit over here. And just go ahead and lay it on there. And stretch it out. So if you can see, I just laid it on and stretched it out.
That's really cool.
And then I will let that dry a little bit. And just trim off some of this excess.
And then I'm going to put some of these little gross cockroaches. Oh, your spider landed on my cockroach.
Oh no. Okay.
We'll stick him. Oh, this is gross, guys. This is really gross. We'll stick him on there. The centipede is on there.
So it was all kind of a little bit gathered right here. And I just stretched it out a little bit. And we're just going to glue it down by gluing on one of our spiders. Oops. And that's just going to hold it down where we want it.
And then I'm just going to take another one of these gross
And if you
things.
could see, there we go.
Oh, I'm putting them at all different angles here. I'm still holding that centipede.
I'm going to glue some of the flies because you can't have a spider web without some flies caught in it, right?
Right?
Although the flies are a little tricky because there's not a lot of the body that touches. We
And
just
then-
put it on the ones. We just got some flies.
I'm going to steal one of your
Stuff.
flies as well.
Okay.
stick that right on there. So see the ones that are flat, they stay on there rather nicely. It's these little guys that want to jump off.
Yeah.
So, and I am getting little webs from the hot glue, but that's okay because it actually looks really cool. And then trying to decide if I want to put a snake on here, but I think we have enough snakes. Or a little cockroach, or a spider. I don't know, the spider looks kind of cool. These are really gross.
This is great Halloween.
That is cool. Okay. I'm putting the cockroach on here because that's really gross. I don't know. I think I'm going to keep a couple out for me. And then this will probably last for years and years in my house unless other people want to get in on this grossness.
Oh.
All right. So, can I have that paper plate?
Yep.
Mine is all black, but I wanted to give it some dimension. So I'm going to take some of my Arteza inks here, or what are they, acrylic colors, and I'm going to get out like a, not a white, but I'm going to look for a grayish color. So many colors. Okay, here we go. Been doing a lot of painting lately, but I still love this, the Arteza. That's a silver, here's a gray. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of gray there. Not a lot, I don't need a lot. And I'm still gonna go with a little bit of black as well, because I want to darken up the gray even more. But not a lot. Because I just want it to give a little bit of, what's it called? Like, dimension.
Some texture.
Yep.
Some dimension.
So, and I'm only going to take a little teeny tiny piece of the sponge to get that. And I want it to be very dry. So of course I didn't bring anything to mix this with, so I'm just gonna mix it with a little bit of, there we go. And since I want it so dry, it's gonna be perfect. So I'm just getting in the little areas there, and I can see that it's got that dry, and then I'm going to kind of rub it. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Oh, that's cute.
And then I'm just going to give it that kind of old, weathery look, but...
Don't burn yourself. Are you done with this? I'll turn it off.
Yep, I'm done.
Okay.
Really kind of gross.
Okay.
You can see how they just stand out a little bit more. See that? Gross. I know, I'm grossing myself out.
Oh, that would be cute on the little fly wings.
Oh, really cute. I'll give it to you when I'm done here. Which I'm almost done.
Oh no, I'm not that creative. But we've got this done. And we just glued the spiders in there. We got a couple of flies over here for the spiders to eat. And there you go.
Okay, let's do those wings. Where is it? Just that one spider?
There's 2 flies.
And we're just gonna do the wings.
Yeah, just give it a little, you know how flies have that little iridescent, like, grossness. Oh, that looks cute. Can you say cute and creepy in the same, describing something?
There it is. Can you see the wings there? It's got a little bit of shimmer. That is super cool. I've been doing mine, so I've been paying attention to yours, but that's really cool. And then here's mine. And now, nobody wants to get into this. Let me put our... Oh, I guess I did put it all in there.
Oh, I love the colors.
Isn't that cool? That's the new ghoul mix. So there you go. You can offer some people some nice mix there. How cool is that? Have little guys laying around. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to take some pictures close up so you can see it. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you give Janine a thumbs up. She's done a wonderful job. Thank you for joining me, cousin.
Thank you for having me.
All right, we will talk to you later. Have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Bye.